Some verbs in English are standard and basic, but in this series, I'd like to show you some more advanced verbs to give your English some style. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study unique verbs in English to binge watch. Jennifer and Mason are in a restaurant. They're talking about their weekend. Mason, you seem pretty exhausted. Did you have a busy weekend? Well, not exactly. You know the new series that just got released on Prime Video? You mean The Stellar Odyssey? I've heard it's good. That's the one. I decided to check it out on Friday evening, and the next thing I knew, it was morning. I ended up binge watching the entire first season. That sounds like a crazy night, but I completely understand. Some shows are just too addicting. I can't keep doing that. It's not healthy to sit for hours. Quiz time! What does to binge watch mean? To watch TV? To watch many episodes? To watch one episode? To stream on the internet? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B, to watch many episodes. Verb details. We often binge watch TV series, binge watch movies, binge watch documentaries. To binge watch means to watch multiple episodes of a TV series in one sitting, often by streaming them. Binge is a word that means in excess, so that's why we use it here. When was the last time you binge watched a series? Share your experience in the comments below. Examples. It's so easy to get lost in a series and binge watch it until the end. Binge watching is an amazing activity for a rainy day. If you binge watch a TV show all weekend, you'd better get up and stretch. We often binge watch shows on lazy Sundays. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Exhausted. Extremely tired. Released. Made available. The next thing I knew, suddenly. Ended up. The final result, in the end. Thanks for watching. If you have a question or if you learned something useful, use the super thanks. You can support free English content. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.